Okay, everybody, it's time to do some world of mathematics. So here's our equation. Okay, so the first figure we have a half cylinder. Remember the half cylinder? Ilang faces yung half cylinder? For a half cylinder, we should have 4 faces. Look at the half cylinder as you can see here. Diba remember, there is one face. The base rectangle, tama? Ito yung unang face. 2 semicircles, so that's another pair of faces. And the curved part. So altogether, that makes 4. Now, how to solve for the surface area and volume? To solve for the surface area and volume of the cylinder, madali lang yan. Look at this. Let's measure everything that we have. So starting off with this one, align your base ruler. Yes, our radius is 5. Diameter is 5.5 cm. Tama? So, kung yung diameter namin ay 5.5 cm, therefore, our radius should be 2.75. Alright? And then, we have the height. The height is this one. Ito yung height namin. The height measures 6.5. Alright? 6.5 to. Okay? 6.5 cm. Okay? Now, it's time to solve for the surface area and volume. To solve for the surface area, madali lang yan. First, let's start with the semicircles. For the semicircles, madali lang yung formula. To solve for the surface area of the semicircles, it's always, remember, since there are 2 circles that are congruent, we can just do pi times the radius squared. If I remember, the radius is 2.75. So, 2.75 squared. Tama? So, 2.75, 25. Actually, to make life easier, you can do lattice multiplication. Like this, alright? Then, para macholis hindi ka mahirapan. Alright? So, we have 275. They just multiply the numbers. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14. 4. 7 times 5 on this column, 35. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 2, 14. Tama? That's how you do it. You multiply in column. Last but not least, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 2, 10. Then, slide up the numbers as you add. 5. This becomes 12. Add 1. 7, 16. 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4. 15. 7. 0. So therefore, 2.5 squared, 2.75 squared is 7.5625. To double check with the calculator, let's verify if our answer is true. Did we get it right? Did we get the answer right? That 2.5 squared is equivalent to 7.5625. Let's see. Yes, we got it right. Now, all we have to do is to multiply it by 3.14. And this is how it goes, diba? Para mas madali, this becomes 1570, 628. Be very careful with your equation. 1884. 1570. And then 98. Tama? Then you add 0. This becomes 0. 15. This becomes 11. 2 plus 6, 8, 16. 24. 3 plus 5, 8, 17. 3, 2. Then count your decimals, 6. There. Alright? So therefore, that's the area of the circle. Area of circles is 23.746150. Yan. Let's double check with the calculator. Ay, mali. Kasi po, diba remember, we almost got it right. It's supposed to be 25 pala. Maybe siguro I just got backfired. Yan, alright? So that's the area of the circles. The area of the circles is 23.75625. Okay? That's just one. Now, let's get the area of the rectangle. Because remember, those are the two circles, right? So, we don't need to divide by 2 nor multiply by 2. Actually, to be honest, this is already the area of one circle. Pero, since it's a half circle, di ba normally kapag whole cylinder, we have to multiply it by 2. But since it's a half cylinder, it's this one lang. Because these two semicircles, when you form it together, they form a perfect circle. So, they're congruent. Okay? So, yun lang. Now, let's go back to the next part of the equation. Next is pi. Diba, remember, it's the base. So, 6.5 times 5.5. Ito, mas madali lang yan. Alright? 25. 5 times 6, 30, 32. Tama. 5. 45. Okay? 5, 7, 14. Yes. Okay? So, that is the next surface area. Let's see. Ay, wait pala. It's supposed to be 5.5 pala. 5.5. This is supposed to be 25. Then 5 times 6, 30. Let me write it again. Yan. 35.75. Let's see. Yan. Then we add this up all together. We should get yan. But that's only the second part. But we still need one more step. And that is the, what you call this, the curve part. To get the curve part, it's very easy. If I remember, you might be wondering how to get the curve part. You remember in general, the general formula is pi times diameter, then multiplied by the height. But since it's a half circle, we have to get the circumference. So, di ba remember last time? Pi times d times h. Ito yun, di ba? Pi dh. Pi times d pertains to area of whole circle. Tama? Now, because remember, since it's a half circle, it's pi times d divided by 2. So, therefore, it's 3.14 times 5.5 divided by 2. So, that becomes, di ba remember 3.14 times 5.5? Di ba remember, you know the equation, right? Then add, alright? And then from there, we divide. 8, 16, 6. Tama. And then with that, we need to multiply that by our height. So, 8.635 times our height. Ano yung height namin? 6.5, 25. 5 times 3 is 15, 17. 5 times 6, 30, 31. And then 5 times 8, 43. Then 6 times 5, 30. 21. 8. Okay, let's add. Yeah, and then add the decimal points. Yun. So therefore, that's our final answer. 72.1275. Let's double check. Diba remember 3.14 times 5.5 divided by 2? We should get this answer of 8.635. Then multiplied by 6.5. I wait, it's still the wrong answer. Kasi ba diba remember, normally we're supposed to get 56.1275. Wait, what did I do again? Diba remember ito yung sagot? Tapos times 6.5. Ah, kaya pala. That's supposed to be the correct answer. Kasi nga, this one, that's the correct answer. And then multiplied by 6. 5190. Pero never mind, let's use na lang the calculator para mas mabilis, okay? So therefore, 8.635 times 6.5, yan. Yan. So that's the answer. Now we add 1.275 plus 59.596250. I-add na namin. 7, 13, 12, 6. Yan. So that is the surface area. The surface area of our semi-half circle, half cylinder, is equivalent to 115.623750 square cm. Now, if you were to convert that to square meters, you're going to have to divide that by, remember, 1 square cm is 10,000. Di ba remember 1 square meter, di ba? It's equivalent to 10 squared. 100 squared. 1 meter to 100 cm. But squaring it will give you 10,000. So therefore, we divide our answer . And then divide by 10,000. Tama. This should be our answer in square cm. Now, to get the volume, madali lang yan. To get the volume of this guy, we just have to do this. Get the area of the base and then multiply it by the height. So, do I remember what's the area of the base? Remember, we got 23.7460. So, therefore, based on our answer here, we're gonna have to divide it by 2. Alright? So, let's do it na lang here para mas madali. Nasa na yun? O, yan. Then, divide by 2. Okay? So, that should be our answer. 11.873125. Then, multiplied by the height. So, that is our volume. The volume is 77.175 cubic centimeters. And then, converting it to liters, that's supposed to be divided by 1,000. Yan. So, therefore, 0.0771 liters of water is needed to fill this tank. That's it.